Welcome back. 48 vehicles in Akkar-Mardol were damaged by a miscreant. People claim Ramesh Gawade to be a mentally challenged person. Ramesh stoned glasses of the vehicles parked along roadside. Owners of the vehicles have suffered huge losses. Patna police have arrested Ramesh following a complaint. Ramesh is now admitted to IPHP in Bamboli. Earlier too, he was taking treatment in the IPHP.
Have a look how this person stones the vehicles. These vehicles were parked along the roadside. His unlawful acts were recorded by a CCTV camera installed by a bank. He is Ramesh Gawade, aged 24, from Mardol, a local. He stoned these vehicles in the wee hours of Wednesday. Around 48 vehicles were stoned. Ramesh Gawade is believed to be mentally challenged. Earlier too, Ramesh had stoned the vehicles in similar way. He was then admitted in IPHP Bambolim for treatment. He did it again. Currently, he is admitted in IPHP again. In another incident, Ponda police arrested one Sudesh Zalmi from Mardol. He had slapped a girl. He has also been admitted in the IPHP after knowing that he too is mentally challenged.
Ramesh Ramnath Gawade, Mardolचोच Akkar-Mardol रावता आनी तो मेंटली इल आसा पर्सन. हेच्या पयलीं तेजे कांय इन्सिडंट आहा की खुबशे फावटी गाडयो फोडपाचे हितून इनवॉल्व आसा. लास्ट आमीच घातलो ताका लास्ट टायम एकदां IPHPन एडमीट केल्लो. तो सुटल्या उपरांत कांय दीस बरो आसता आनी मागीर परते हे स्टार्ट करता.
Village Panchayat, VPK Bank and locals complained to the police. Locals have demanded almost a year-long full treatment to Ramesh Gawade and Sudesh Zalmi in the IPHP.
जो भोगो आसा तो अशें समाजांत रावप अत्यंत घातक आसा. तेन्ना तो मेंटल आशिल्ल्या कारणान ताका खंयचीच कलमां लावपाक मेळना, ताका भितर दवरपाक मेळना.
ह्या ऑफेन्साचो जर सिरियसनेस पळयत जाल्यार पुलिसांनी हो मेंटल ग्राउंड न घेता वो अशे तरेची व्यक्ती समाजान रावप ही घातक आसा. ह्या अशे तरेच्या मनशाक हांगा दोन नासतना मेंटल चडांत चड काळ तो रिकवर जाय पर्यंत ताका मेंटलान दवरचो.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Supreme Court appointed capping committee has asked state departments to present data on mining and ore transportation. Committee held an introductory meeting with various departments on Wednesday. Committee will submit its report by 15th February to the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, petitioner Carl Alvarez met the committee and has demanded total ban on export of iron ore and 5 million tons mining per year only for domestic use.
Supreme Court appointed capping committee held introductory meeting with various departments in the state on Wednesday. The committee consists of C.R. Babu, ecologist, Dr. S.C. Dhiman, geologist, Professor B.K. Mishra, mineralogist, Parmeshwarappa, mineralogist. The committee held an introductory meeting with Mines Department, Water Resource, PWD, Forest, Goa State Pollution Control Board, Captain of Ports, Agriculture Department and Town and Country Planning Department. They have asked the Water Resource to present groundwater table, Pollution Control Board to present data of pollution in mining areas before and after mining. Petitioner Claude Alvarez met the capping committee. He has demanded total ban on export and recommended cap of 5 million tons mining per annum.
But we have made very detailed presentation to this expert committee. We have given them some documents. We have explained our position on sustainable mining, how much of ore should be removed. We have asked that only, our idea is that only about 5 million tons, we are not opposed to mining, but only about 5 million tons should be, yes, only 5 million tons should be permitted. And we have said that we are not agreeable to exports. Because if you are thinking about keeping the ore for the people in this country, then we have got only 40 million tons left. That is the report of the Lok Sabha. Only 40 million tons left for the whole India, for the whole of India for coming generations. So it will not be enough even for our own generation. So we said that you stop the export, sell it to people in the country who are using it for iron and steel, so that we don't have to buy it afterwards from people abroad at 10 times the rate.
Committee will submit its report to Supreme Court by 15th February. Ramesh Gawade and Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Meanwhile, Congressmen mining dependents are anguished with the Parrikar-led government. They said even after 10 months of announcement of the financial package for mining dependents, they have not received a penny nor any intimation of the package from the banks. Some have blamed the executing agency GEL for not forwarding their bills, while others blame the BJP.
हे सगळे घोळ माझ्या हेजे प्रमाणे माहिती प्रमाणे हो GELच्यान जाला अशें म्हाका दिसता. GELन म्हाजे होल्ड करून दवरलेलें अशें म्हाका म्हाजो सामको ठाम आरोप आसा. कित्याक म्हणटा हांव तेन्ना हांवें हाजे पयलीं GELक जेन्ना ट्रकांचें रजिस्ट्रेशन आशिल्लें तेन्ना म्हजे रजिस्ट्रेशना भितर म्हजे एड्रेस चुकीचो केल्लो. हांवें 2-3 म्हयने सुमार तांचे कडेन करेक्शना खातीर दिले. हांवें पावटी मारल्यो कितल्योश्यो पूण तरी पूण म्हाजी हें जावना आशिल्लें.
म्हाजो 180 नंबर म्हळ्यार आमकां अजून फूल पॅकेज येयना. लोकांक चडशे आमचे फाटल्यान भरले तांकां फूल पॅकेज येयली. हितून भितर आमकां मातशी सरकारान बेगीन पॅकेज घालून आमकां क्लियर करचें. कित्याक आमी हे पयशे मेळटले हे आशेन आमी आसा, अजुनूय आमी आसा.
आमकां पयशेच आयना म्हणून आमी सांगलेले आमचे ऑफिसान गेले जाल्यार ते हांसता जातलेच म्हणटा. हांसता आनी हांसता हाजे आमकां अर्थ कळना जालो. तें हांसप आनी येतलेच अर्थ कळना म्हणटकीर आमी.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.